Hi everyone. Here are few very common words with the letter B which we tend to mispronounce. Biscuit. I have heard people saying biscuit, या biscuit. Biscuit नहीं होता. The sound of U in this spelling is hidden. Well, yes, it is the way that it is. It's pronounced biscuit. Biscuit. Next up is bouquet. It's not bouquet or bouquet. The correct pronunciation here is bouquet. Bouquet. Moving on. Breakfast. Breakfast. We've heard breakfast. Quite commonly, we've heard breakfast. However, these aren't correctly pronounced. It's breakfast. Breakfast. Next word for you is button. Button. It's not button. It's not button. It's not any other pronunciation. The sound of O in this word disappears. It vanishes. It is button. Button. Breathe. It's not breath. It's not breathe. It has an E at the end. So the closing sound will be the. The correct way to say it is breathe. Breathe. The next word is because. Because. Nah, that's not the correct pronunciation. Because. The correct pronunciation is because. Because. That is the pronunciation. Next word is benefit. Benefit या benefit नहीं होता. Benefit होता है. Benefit. Try recording all of these pronunciations when you talk to yourself. Correct yourself today. I will see you in the next video where I will talk about mispronunciations with the words that begin with C. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye for now.